How to create and set up a Payoneer account. Hello guys and welcome back to channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up and create a Payoneer account. So let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Payoneer application from your App Store or Google Play Store and then just open the application. So you can either sign in if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account you can just click on register. Now you gotta tell them that whether you own or represent a registered company or you're an individual running your own business. So it says my business isn't registered. So I'm just going to click on this if my business is not registered and then click on next. Now to get started, tell us where you're located. So you can just type down your country. And after doing so, just click on next. Now here it says that how would you describe your business, whether you're an online seller, small or medium-sized business, freelancer, agency or service provider. So I'm just going to click on this and click on next. Now it says how would you like to use Payoneer to get paid by clients or freelance marketplace worldwide, then withdraw my funds or use them to pay suppliers, or to pay my global contractors and remote employees using credit card, ACH, bank debt and more. So I'm just going to click on this and click on next. Once done, it will say great, now let's get you set up with Payoneer. So just click on OK. Now once you click on OK, you'll be redirected to a browser interface. Now here it says, is your business registered with any government, business, licensing or tax authority? So obviously if you're running your own business and it's a very small online business, obviously it won't be registered. So you can just click on no, my business isn't registered. Or if you represent a company, you can click on yes. Now over here you gotta fill in the fields in English characters only, your first name, your last name, your email address, re-enter your email address and date of birth. Once you do so, you can just click on next, and here they will send a verification code to your email, and after that you will be asked your address and your phone number. So just type down your address, click on send code, and they will send a verification code to your email registered. So once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this. So once you have typed down your verification code, you'll be asked for your ID card picture in order to verify that you are authentic. So once you do so, you will be redirected to an interface like this. So once you do so, you'll be able to see something like this, and here there are three types of currencies. One is USD, one is Euro, and one is GBP. The type of currency sent to your account will be displayed over here. For example, if you have received USD in your account, you'll be able to see that displayed over here. So nothing to see here yet because I don't have any transactions yet, but you can click over here on your activity in order to see transactions and payment requests. So you can request a payment from your client or just ask for transactions. So that is basically how you can create and set up a Payoneer account. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.